Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix subtitles that are hidden underneath other video layers in Descript's free plan. First, select the layer that is covering your subtitles. This could be a B-roll clip, an image, or a text overlay. Look for it in your timeline. Once selected, drag that layer downward in the layer stack. Your subtitles should now appear on top. The higher an item is in the stack, the more front it appears. If you can't find the layer stack, click the Layers button in the timeline area to expand and see all your visual layers clearly. Another fix is to select your subtitle layer specifically. Click on any caption box in the preview window, then drag it upward in the layer stack until it's at the very top. To prevent this issue in the future, always generate your captions as the very last step, after you've placed all your B-roll, images, and other overlays. If your subtitles are still hidden, check if you accidentally lowered their opacity. Select a caption, look for the opacity setting, and make sure it's set to 100%. And that's it. Drag covering layers down, move subtitles up in the stack, generate captions last, and check opacity. If this uncovered your subtitles, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.